Hi guys, sorry for the lack of updates lately. The move to the new house is going much slower than I expected. I'm hoping to have my home office set up again by the end of the weekend. For now, I don't have access to my microphone or camera, but I do have my video editing equipment. I decided to go back through my old footage, and this is the only thing I could find that I hadn't deleted yet. That's right, Caesar the cat. It was supposedly an edutainment game, but there is really nothing educational about it. Still, it's fun for a few minutes, and it's one of the more obscure Commodore 64 games I remember from my youth. Thank you for hanging in there, and I hope to be back up and running soon.
Alright, what up guys? This is going to be a real short one. This is Caesar the Cat by Andromeda Software. Always liked this game, but it always kind of weirded me out too. I think that noise always freaked me out a bit. So your goal is to catch the mice before they eat too much food, and certain objects will fall over and kill you, like the big pot of stuff. You can also go faster holding the button down, and I don't know why you wouldn't. There's no reason to not go as fast as you possibly can, in my opinion. You see the food's disappearing. But yeah, there's really not that much to this game. Just catching mice, trying not to let things topple over and kill you. Can't say I quite understand what this points thing is doing. Ouch, just hit my head. I think you can actually die from hitting your head in the wall too many times, which is bizarre. Music kind of gets faster and stuff too. To admit, it's pretty good animation for a cat. Yeah, don't run into the wall. Oh, the mice are blue now. Wonder what that means. And I'm glowing for some reason. Am I gonna go like Super Saiyan? Oh, that noise. It's getting worse. Is it because I'm tired or something? I'm running too much? Man, I think they need to call an exterminator. This is pretty crazy. And I'm killing these mice as fast as I can, but this is just insane. It's funny revisiting some of these games from when I was a kid, and like, there's no way I would have gotten this far as a kid. Like, I wasn't that good at this game. Knocked that pot over, but it didn't kill me. Oh my gosh. I knocked that stuff over. I vaguely remember getting to the point where the mice were just changing colors and teleporting all over. So maybe I did get this far at one point. I guess we'll have to Whoa, I don't think it's gonna be it soon. They're just eating all the food. Oh, I can't even catch them. The mice are teleporting. What? That's not even like moved through them. So he's cheating there? I don't know. I got one somehow. Fell into my mouth. Hey. Oop. Oh boy. I don't know. Just run around randomly. Door just closed for some reason. I think I lose when I run out of food to protect, so... I haven't quite figured out if the mice can actually eat the food if they're not touching the food. Like, is it just a timer, kind of? Or can I, like, protect one block of cheese? Just kind of jump back and forth. Maybe a mouse will fall in my mouth. I don't know. I don't know what that glowing means. I wasn't moving fast, so it's not a tired meter. Seriously think they should call it exterminator because this is messed up. Basically just have to count on the mice being stupid enough to fall into my mouth because I'm too slow. A weird game. Not even lasting a second in one spot. I still don't get these numbers. I get... Wait, what? I have no idea how this game works. But yeah, that's Caesar the cat. I don't know what else to say about that other than I don't understand this game.